This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Landry-Sonstegard. This is the home and lifestyle you have been waiting for. Royal Harbor, a gated 55-plus waterfront community, offers this beautiful, move-in ready, custom-built Harborside model home. It has been lovingly cared for and thoughtfully expanded and upgraded. The kitchen area is bright and spacious, with cathedral ceiling and a large nook with an expansive wall of windows for your dining pleasure any time of day. The living room/great room is warm and inviting, with a gas fireplace. Sliding glass doors lead out to the large enclosed Florida room. Enjoy your private backyard views in air-conditioned comfort year-round. And there is more. A triple slider opens to the absolutely gorgeous custom screen room. You will love the octagonal-shaped room with solid wood beam ceiling, custom fan, and beautiful tile floor. Enjoy a cookout, entertain friends and family, or just relax alone, in your private backyard oasis. The master suite has a spacious walk-in closet and master bath with a nice large walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms and guest bath will accommodate guests or can be used as an office or den. The laundry room is conveniently located between the kitchen and garage. This home is being offered turnkey. Bring your personal items and move right in. This is a great home in a great community. Enjoy the beautiful clubhouse, large heated pool, spa, billiards, craft room, fitness center, library, and more. Play tennis, pickleball, bocce, shuffleboard, or take a stroll along the many landscaped paths. There is a lakeside dock for fishing or just relaxing. There is even RV and boat storage available, all included in the low HOA dues. Many clubs, activities, and amenities offer something for everyone. Come see for yourself. Come home to Royal Harbor. Call for a private home visit and tour of this beautiful community on the shores of Little Lake Harris on the Harris chain of lakes. For more information, review the details below.